when we dive into 3/4, what we're actually doing is going 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And it takes a little bit, but then when you get it, geez, it's really awesome. And you'd be surprised at how many really good musicians will use different time signatures. You didn't even know. So look, we'll jump in and we'll just get a couple of things going that you can practice. So we'll just try chords, really simple progression, just go an A minor to an E minor, just to, don't have to think about it. Okay, so it isn't that hard.